Hey guys, in this short video, I will show you how to create a group chat in Messenger on your PC. So this is very simple, so let's begin. First, open your browser and go to messenger.com. Now once you're inside here, you want to look for this pencil icon right here. Now, just add the person you want to add to your group chat. For example, this person. And let's try to add another one. Now, once you've done it, just chat any kind of reaction like dislike. Now, once you've done it, you're gonna see that your group chat has been created. Now, in here, you can now edit your chat group or chat name instead. You can now change it or customize it the way you want. Now, you will see the member here. So, just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.